Welcome to Oil Shop Supplies. We didn't invent the oil change sticker, we made it better. This video is our most frequently asked questions for the Indy Print Mini PRO, so feel free to follow along if you have any questions. We'll begin by going over how to reset the printer. First, make sure that your printer is powered off for this. Begin by pushing and holding the feed button located underneath the LED light while turning on the printer. As you continue to hold the button, you'll notice the lights begin to flash. Only release when the light flashes green. After a brief pause, the LED light will turn solid green. Once that happens, all that's left is to simply turn the printer off and then on again. Once you've completed that, your printer is now fully reset. The next topic we're going to cover in this video is how to input or change the date for your Indy Print Mini PRO. Begin by pressing the Form key, followed by Enter, and choosing 0 as your template. From there, simply adjust all date information as needed. To advance to the next prompts, simply press the Enter key after each prompt. When the template screen reappears, your printer has fully auto-saved all your information. Here's a quick bonus tip for all future topics. If you mess up during any of these steps, or while creating your label, simply turn the printer off, then on again to restart the process. We will now go over how to change the darkness on your printer. You can either go lighter or darker, depending on your preference. Begin by pressing the Form key, followed by Enter. Then press 0 for your template. When you see date information, simply verify it all and press the Enter key to continue to the next prompts. You will then be presented with speed. For this, type 2, then press Enter. For density, type 10, then press Enter. When the template screen reappears, your printer has fully auto-saved all your information. Our next topic and our most frequently asked question is how to change template intervals for your labels. Begin by pressing the Form key, then press Enter. Then type 10 for your template, and then press Enter. You must first verify your company name and information. Press the Enter key to advance to the next prompts. You'll then be presented with the template intervals. Adjust them as needed, and press Enter to advance to the next prompts. When the template screen reappears, your printer has fully auto-saved all your information. Our next topic and our most frequently asked questions is a simple one. It's how to install the ink ribbon into your printer. Start by finding the two notches on both your take-up paper core and the ink ribbon itself. You will then use these as guides to install them. Start by first installing the take-up paper core. Then simply repeat the process for the ink ribbon itself. After completing those steps, you will then need to attach the ink ribbon to the take-up core. From there, use the green dial located on the left to pull the ink over the print head. And just like that, your ink ribbon has now been fully installed. Here's another little bonus tip for when you need to change out your ink ribbon. Remove the old empty ink ribbon core and insert it into the take-up roll slot. Now you have a brand new take-up core. Our next topic is going to be how to add or remove company information from your labels. Begin by pressing the Form key, followed by Enter. Then, when presented with template, type 10, then press Enter. You will then be prompted to enter your company name and information. Simply type in your desired information and press Enter. Removing company information is just as simple. Press either the backspace or the clear key to delete all company name and information. Once the text field is empty, press the spacebar, then Enter and repeat the process for all fields. When the template screen reappears, your printer has fully auto-saved all your information. Here's a quick comparison shot so you can see what your labels will look like with or without your company information. The final topic we'll be covering in this video is how to properly set your label gap calibration. You'll need to make sure that your printer is powered off first. To begin, hold the feed button underneath the LED light while turning the printer on. Continue to hold the feed button until the light begins to flash red. When it flashes red, release the button. Your printer will now begin the calibration process. When the labels stop, your printer is now fully calibrated. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. And thank you for choosing Oil Shop Supplies.